Hi there, welcome to Slot House. In this quick tutorial, we'll guide you step by step on how to create game accounts so you can start playing your favorite games in no time. Let's get started. Before we begin, make sure you're logged into your Slot House account. If you're not logged in yet, go ahead and sign in. Once you're ready, follow along with me. First, locate the Games tab in the menu. It's right here on the left side of your screen. Go ahead and click on it to open the Games section. Now, you'll see an Add Games button. Click on it to start creating your game accounts. A list of available games will appear. Simply select the games you'd like to play and click Confirm to proceed. Once you've confirmed your selection, the system will start processing your request. This usually takes just a few seconds. If it takes longer than 2 minutes, don't worry. Just reach out to our support team using the chat icon, and they'll be happy to assist you. Once your game account is created, you'll receive an email from Slot House with your game username and password. Keep this email safe, as you'll need these details to log in and play. Need to reset your game password? No problem. Just click the Reset Password button, and a new password will be sent to your email. It's that easy. Enjoy our platform, and don't forget to check our promotions and bonuses. Have a great experience!